What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today with a new one. This here is my uncle's 2017 Ford Fusion Titanium Energi hybrid sedan. A little bit different than your typical Fusion hybrid. This has the separate battery for all electric driving. He says it has a range of about 20 miles of electric only, averaging miles per gallon in the 50s. He bought this car in 2018. It was a year old and it had 100 miles on it. Certified, pre-owned. He said it was missing the oh shit handles on the inside when he bought it. It was kind of weird. Kind of a weird story, but he got it for a good price, 23 grand, and they put the handles in. It's pretty loaded up. It doesn't have a sunroof, but other than that, it's pretty fully well equipped. I mean, we got nice leather, we got heated and cooled seats, Sony stereo. See how many miles we got on. Ooh, cool, it lights up blue. Let's see what we got here. All right, we got our push button start. Oh, hello. All right, ready to drive, 100% charged. Okay. Got a little navigation here. Option to connect a phone. Well, let's go for a ride. I don't hear anything, so I assume we are in electric motion. Got the twist knob here for the transmission. Backup camera. Dude. Eerily quiet. It's warning me about the steep driveway. Drive. Oh, wow. Really cool. Average miles per gallon 54. Okay, so yeah, we're running on electric only right now. Dude, that is so cool. Not super powerful, but plenty enough. My uncle's had two of these. He leased one new back in, I don't know, around 15, 16. Short lease just to see if he'd like it. Turned the car in and then bought this one when he found a good deal on it. And like I said, he got it for 23 grand and it had 100 miles on it. I think retail on it was somewhere around 30. But the dealership he bought it from over in Birmingham, Alabama was... you know, they didn't know what to think of the car. You know, they're just so familiar with just selling trucks and SUVs that, you know, what is this goofy thing? Get it out of here. So he walked in there, scored a deal. I think they've actually offered to buy this car back from him for almost what he paid for it. A couple of months ago, I uploaded a video of a walk around of a 2021 or a 2020, I can't remember, Ford F-150 Silver. I did not do a test drive. I just did a walk around and just inside video. That was the same uncle. He did not enjoy the truck, and he sold it back to the dealership a few weeks ago after just, I think he said 3 months of ownership and 3,200 miles. And they gave him $5,000 more than he paid for it. So the shortage is real, folks. So him and his wife are just getting by with this one car right now. But he is looking for something just kind of inexpensive to use as a backup car, because he says that they really only need one car. His wife doesn't work. His office is close to home. And, you know, but he is intrigued by the new Ford Lightning that's supposed to be coming out. So, you know, knowing him, he's a car guy and a gearhead like me and my brother. He likes cool stuff. So knowing him, he will probably end up with one once they become available. I don't know if I said, but this car has just under 37,000 miles. We'll go up here and do our kind of 0 to 60. I bet it's going to be slow since we're just on electric only. I'm not sure what the power output is when you're just running electric on this car. But this will be to the floor. Oh, there goes the motor. So, if you full throttle the car, the gas engine comes on. That makes a little more sense now. I want some AC seats. Feeling a little warm today. This car also has the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist, which did not work for me just because I about ran off the road. Okay, so we are in eco mode with cruise control set. Average MPG right now 54.1. Cruise set on 68 miles per hour. And this is just velvety smooth. Wow, just so smooth. Very quiet. Police. Put my phone down for a second. Police comes through. Yes, we don't get caught filming. I'm gonna do a little highway sprint. I'll get right back with you. Looks like it has a heated steering wheel. Here in the touch screen. I'll just turn on a little AC. I was getting warm. The Sony sound system, it's unfortunate I can't play anything because it sounds so good. It is tremendous. Tremendous. Okay, we're going to get on Interstate I-75, and I'm not going to floor it. I want to see if we can do it just all electric. Very steady. Definitely not in a hurry, but steady. Right up to 70 miles per hour. The bottom of a downhill ramp. still electric only. 75 miles per hour. Coming up on 80. Wow, really good. We'll set the cruise. Set. And we are all electric. That is pretty cool. Our range is telling me we have 404 miles with approximately 3/4 of a tank of gas. That's impressive, folks. That is impressive. I don't care what you say. Pretty cool, guys. Well, I'll wrap this one up. Gosh, it's already almost 12 minutes long. This is a 2017 Ford Fusion Titanium Energy Hybrid. Very cool car. It doesn't feel 4 years old, even though it has 37,000 miles. It feels like new, man. My uncle does take good care of his stuff, though. But this thing, yeah, this is a great car. Anybody looking for a hybrid, whenever these prices settle back down, I can get these at the government sale because they buy a lot of them. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.